Since I was a kid, my hairline was always like kind of naturally receded. My hair right here was not really growing in that thick. When I came out to LA and I saw that this was even a procedure, I felt inclined to just seek it out. I can just say that it's made me feel like a different person, truly like a night and day difference. I personally would recommend Dr. Mohebi to any of my family or friends. I felt like he gave me a new life. There was like Dante before the procedure and Dante after. Dr. Mohebi was very thorough. He actually lined what the hairline would look like, so I was able to see that beforehand. The day of the procedure, it was just so much love in the room, and I felt like the staff and Dr. Mohebi truly cared about me more than just being a patient. I was like a person, and they wanted me to have a good experience. I can't vocalize how much it has made me feel more empowered. I feel like it changed my life because I'm going after things that I probably wouldn't have went for before. Having a complete hairline has made me feel just more sure of myself. You get one shot, you get one temple, and you know, make it how you want it to be.